Portia Simpson-Miller declared war on those in her party who she claimed are leaking sensitive internal matters to the media. The opposition, which has been stung by its electoral defeat, was dealt another heavy blow when the party's treasurer's damning report found its way into the public domain. In the report, it is said that ex-senior members of the former administration collected millions but did not turn it over to the party coffers. But the PNP leader put on a political brave face and warned that she will be stepping like a razor on those who leak party business to the press.
I put in my foot down because some people believe that the PNP internal matters must get into the public. Anybody try cross the line with me, I don't think them know who Portia is. I don't think they know where I am coming from. And some people trying to cross the line with me. Let me warn you, stop it. Don't try it. I am a stepping razor, don't you trust my size? I am dangerous.
Party strife aside, the Andrew Holness administration was in the crosshairs of the party leader. The recent gruesome killings of young children has riled Mrs. Simpson-Miller, and she took aim at the government, which she said was more strident on the crime issue while they were in opposition.
What could a 9-month-old baby do to be killed? Why would anyone kill a 2-year-old child execution style? In all of this, the silence of the government, the Prime Minister, the Minister of National Security, and the government is deafening. When they were in opposition, they promised that you could go to bed and leave your doors open and wake up in the morning and still be alive.
She fumed that Jamaicans were too silent and their voices must grow louder to raise greater awareness and action.
Jamaica must stand up, men and women, and cry out in the interest of the children and the protection of our children in this country.
Mrs. Simpson-Miller also flayed the government for the rising cost of living, which she said has battered many Jamaicans in their back-to-school preparations.
The cost of living is rising beyond the reach of the majority of our people. Price increases are battering the people every day, making back to school this year one of the most painful experiences for many families. We are seeing more beggars on the road. Murders are on the rise and out of control.